Okay, it's A is grounded. Okay, A is grounded, and B's gone up 2.1 meters because B's gone down 2.1 meters. So its height now is 2.1 plus 1.5. 1.5 was its original height. So therefore, its height now is 3.6. Okay, and now the tension's just suddenly gone to 0. So now B's in free fall. Okay, B's in free fall and it's 3.6 meters above the plane. So we need to know what velocity. B's going up at a certain velocity. So there you go, I've worked out the velocity using v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So v is root 14. So B's travelling up at root 14, but it's not going to go up very far. It's going to go up to 0 velocity and then come down. So we want to know how high it gets until the velocity is 0. Here you go. So we're starting initial velocity root 14. The acceleration is minus g. We want to know how far it gets when the velocity is 0. So there you go. So it goes up 0.7 meters. So the last bit is 0.7. So the this is the total. This is the highest it gets to, and then it goes down again. But we're not interested in what happens after that. So this height is 3.6 plus 0.7, which is 4.3.